am staying at Nook Inn, and it's in Lumberton, Texas, not too far from Beaumont, Texas. I wanted to stay here because one, it was different. Usually I just stay in hotels. Also, it's dog friendly, so I always look for dog friendly hotels along my road trip because Kuma is always with me. So it's a bed and breakfast, and I usually don't do bed and breakfast, plus, you know, it's usually for couples. But I thought I would check it out because it seemed like a really neat place. I thought Kuma would enjoy something a little bit different, and I wanted to enjoy something a little bit different too. So a little bit about this place. It's owned by a married couple. They're really into literature, so there's lots of books around, hence the name Nook Inn. Upstairs, there's like a bunch of books that you can read. They even left a couple books for you in your room. The husband has actually written a couple of books, and then they've also opened up an event center, so you can have weddings here or any type of event. And when I looked online, it looked like it was really huge, and they have lots of wedding celebrations here, so that was nice. There's also a pond in the back, so you can walk around with your dog, which I'm about to do with Kuma. They also have a theater room, and a nice living room area with a piano. I met the husband when I checked in, and he gave me a code to the door so I can just go in and out as I please. And he introduced me to his Labradoodle, which is adorable. He's so cute. And in the morning, you get breakfast, of course, because it's a bed and breakfast. And I requested to have it at 8 o'clock, but I think they usually serve breakfast at 9 or whatever time you want, but I think 9 is the usual time. I usually wake up super early in the morning, so the earliest they said would be 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna have some 8 o'clock breakfast and have some eggs, toast, you know, usual breakfast stuff. First of all, I have to show this lovely key to my room. It's like one of those old school ones, and this room is called the Lindsay room. Right when you walk in, you have the bathroom to the left, and then this nice dresser with an old school like wash area. Kind of reminds me of, I don't know when it was, 1800s, 1700s. I have no idea what time period they use those, but I like it. Do you like it, Kuma? Kuma's already bored. All right, I haven't even checked out the bathroom yet, but this is what it looks like. There's a nice fan, nice and bright. Do you like this large mirror here? Washcloths here, lots of counter space, and they provide some toiletries. R&R essentials, so you get shampoo, shower gel, conditioner, body bar. A couple of bath towels and hand wash towels, or washcloths. Oh wow, look at this tub. This tub is nice, it's like a jacuzzi tub. Oh, and I like their shower too, and this nice natural light coming in. Very lovely. Oh, and then you get a hairdryer here. I'm not sure if anything's in these drawers, no. And then inside this side mirror are some extra things like hand soap and such. So yeah, there is like extra locks that they have. Once you get inside your room, I don't think this one, oh no, it does work. So they have 2 locks. And I believe this is a light into the room and a fan. So that's for the light here and a fan over there. So nice luggage rack. That dog bed is mine that I always bring for Kuma because she likes dog beds. And this nice, huge king size bed. What's under there? Anything good? And then these cute side tables. They look like little ovens or something, like child playhouse ovens that I used to have. But I like it, it's so cute. Very vintage. Some side lights. On the other side, the same thing. And then a nice antique looking phone. What's this? Oh, it's a coaster. So if you want to let your drink here. This is the closet in here. Yep, that's for the closet. You get 2 robes. This is actually my coat. And then in here, they have a cot or extra mattress, some hangers, an iron and ironing board, and some extra pillows. Lots of space to put in your stuff, which I'm gonna put all my luggage in there probably. Kuma's gonna check that out for a bit more. Some decoration with the keys I like. And nice antique looking chair. My stuff again there. And full length mirror. I do like that they put the TV inside a frame, a picture frame. Kind of a cool idea. So that's what it looks like inside the room. Pretty neat. And then back there is the dining area. So I can have my meal here, and they have a couple of books, a Keurig, lots of choices for coffee, couple cups, and then next to it is a microwave and a refrigerator, and also some snacks, which is nice. And then a little guest book where you can write about your stay in a gratuity envelope. So let's see, the last people that wrote looks like was on 12/17 from Houston, Texas, so not very far. There's some more antique decorations. I like this umbrella. I can hear Kuma's footsteps. Hi, you wanna go explore with me? So that was a tour of my room, and now I'm going to show you what's around this bed and breakfast inside and the outside. Okay, so this is the living room area. Looks nice and cozy. Kuma keeps on going back there because that's where they leave the pet food. I'm just gonna go make sure she's not eating anything. Kuma bear, what are you doing? What do you think you're doing? Let's check out the pool. Out in the back is the pool. It's a little cold right now though, so I'm not gonna really go in there. Kuma, no. Get away from there. No, you cannot have the cat food. Go, 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 go. Better Business Bureau. Those are all the different rooms. Looks like there's 6 rooms. All right, that's the upstairs. I wanna go check out as soon as Miss Kuma comes back. Oh yeah, he said there's billiards up here. So this is a billiards room. Oh, how neat. Lots of games. I've never heard of this game. Fact or crap. I kind of remember this. More books. Oh boy, someone's excited. You like that carpet, huh? You like any carpet, but wow, this one you were going crazy over for. Okay. All right, you wanna go check out the rest of it? I'll look over here. Okay, lots of DVDs. This is where the cinema room is. Oh, what's in here? Oh, more carpet. Oh wow, this is really neat. They have like stage seating even. Kuma is going to town here. This is the view from up above. More books on this side, bathroom. More books. Be careful. It's kind of like a relaxed room. More books. This is the outside area. You can relax in these nice chairs out here and that swing chair. Lovely porch. Kuma keeps on trying to get to the cat food, so I had to put it up there for right now. But the cat has a cute home up there. Hey, kitty. Sorry to bother you. You can walk around here as much as you like. They have a pretty big property. And then around the corner is the event center. Just getting your zoomies in.